Hey folks, how's it going? So, if you're a student, you may need two types of letters if you want a recommendation. The first one is you're going to ask your professor, can you write me a letter of recommendation? And then what the professor is going to say is, sure, write up the letter of recommendation, send me it, and I'll sign it. So in this video, I'm going to write those two letters using ChatGPT and AI. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. So I'm going to say, write me, I need a letter of recommendation from a physics professor. I got a minus in his course this last semester. I had perfect attendance. Please write me a letter that requests a letter of recommendation from Professor Johnston. It's just example. Dear Professor Johnson, I'm writing to request a letter of recommendation for my future academic and professional endeavors. I was a student in your physics course last semester and received an A-. I also had perfect attendance throughout this course. I would appreciate your support and positive comments you could provide about my performance in your class and potential as a student in the field of physics. Thank you for your time and consideration. That's perfect. That's like, if you write longer than that, the professor is just not going to want to read it. Okay, so let's go, and he's going to say, or she's going to say, all right, write me the letter. Okay, the professor responded. The professor told me to craft the letter of recommendation and she'll sign it. Please write that letter of recommendation for me with a space to sign Professor Johnson's name. There you go. To whom may concern. I'm writing to highly recommend your name for an academic or professional opportunities in the field of physics. As your name's professor in the physics course last semester, I attest to your name's strong performance in class. Your minds have your name consistently a deep understanding of the course material and actively participate in class discussions and group projects. And also shows strong work ethic and passion for often going above and beyond. That's great. And then it has the professor's name and then professor of physics. I mean, this is that's as crisp and professional as you're going to get from both sides. You don't need to overcomplicate this topic at all. You don't need to overcomplicate your collar. Sorry, I just woke up. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more ChatGPT examples.